Fix in 5. Got AP0424? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illumination, decreased engine power, especially in cylinder 8, increased fuel consumption, vibration, or rough running during acceleration. Now the most likely causes. Worn or defective spark plug in cylinder 8, most common. Clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector. Insufficient compression in cylinder 8. Worn rings or damaged valves. Defective ignition coil, coil-on-plug. Malfunctioning rear oxygen sensor or damaged wiring. Here's how a pro pins it down. Misdiagnosing the fault as a bad catalyst when the real PR neglecting to check battery health. Vital for hydros are overlooking OEM technical service bulletins, TSBs, referen. Using non-OEM replacement parts, risking incorrect catalyse. Failing to clear the code and recalibrate the PCM/ECU aft. How to fix it? Replace spark plugs. Complete set recommended for uniformity. Clean or replace fuel injector in cylinder 8. Replace ignition coil, coil-on-plug, if defective. Repair or replace rear oxygen sensor if malfunctioning. The scanner and partside use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly 12 to 35 euros doing it yourself, or 52 to 75 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0424 myself DIY? Some repairs associated with P0424 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0424. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.